National Highway 44. The National Highway 44, earlier known as National Highway 7, it is the longest highway in India. It starts from Srinagar in the north and ends in Kanyakumari in the south. It covers a distance of 4,112 kilometers, which is about 2,555 miles. NH 44 traverses a total of 11 Indian states. It came into being by merging 7 national highways. They were NH1A, NH1, NH2, NH3, NH75, NH26 and NH7. NH44 ranks 22nd among the longest national highways globally. The highway passes through Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.